With renovation loans booming and rent growth finally easing, the property market is shifting. But what does that mean for you? Stick around and I'll help you make sense of it all. Hey everyone, I'm Rupali, an independent buyer's agent from Get Rare Properties. And if you are a first-time buyer or even a seasoned investor, there's always something new happening. And we get it, it can be overwhelming. But here's the thing, I have been in your shoes and I want to share what I've learned so you can make informed decisions, no matter where you are in your property journey. Before we dive in, if you are keen to fast-track your financial freedom, I've got a free online masterclass coming up where we will guide you step by step through how you can start taking control of your financial future. Hit the link in the description to grab your seat now. Now here is the noteworthy stats. A fifth of first home buyers using government's low deposit scheme have already graduated. That is over 19,000 loans since 2020. I tell you what, 63% of these buyers are now ahead on their mortgages, and guess what? Unlike many think, with only 0.1% in errors. Jennifer Chu from the Home Ownership Program has highlighted this as a big win. Would you agree? It is a great sign if you are considering buying your first home. As we run this successful independent buyers agency, and we have helped more than 350 families their investment properties, I've had clients come to me feeling defeated by the housing crisis, and I totally get it. It's tough out there. According to Jocelyn Martin from the Housing Industry Association, the crisis is not new. It has been building for more than 20 years now. There is no magic fix, but the good news is there are solutions on the table, like expanding affordable housing. When I was first getting into property, it felt like a daunting task to crack the market. But with the right guidance, it's doable. And after building our own portfolio of 18 properties, I'm now here to help guide you through the same. Furthermore, I would like to share some good news with you. Big banks are dropping fixed home loan rates, some going below 6%. Experts like Alan Hammings, CEO of Home Loan Experts, predict rates could drop to 4%. Well, that's a big statement. Nonetheless, the sentiment of rates stabilizing and declining are good enough to lock in a great deal sooner or later. On the rental affordability front, rents have been rising fast, but now we are seeing them ease up. Over the past 4 years, rents grew by 39%, but recent CoreLogic data shows that the trend is showing. In Perth, rents jumped 11.6% this year alone. If you are a renter or think about investing in rentals, this could be a time to act. I have guided many clients through this process, and trust me, understanding these trends can save you a lot of stress in the long run. If you want to discover how to transform your home loan into an investment tool, utilize equity for tax-deductible loans, and accelerate wealth building with savvy investment income strategies, check this quick video on debt recycling. It is perfect for investors ready to optimize cash flow and pay off mortgages quicker. Facing Australia's housing shortage, Rusty's strategies could be your game changer. That's your update on Aussie property market. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.